Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Nissan Teana 2009 to 2014? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 to 2014 protects circuits for comfort and body systems, including front heated seat controls, airbag, central body ECU and AC controls, interior and exterior lighting, power outlet, power windows or locks, and other cabin electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box number 1 of the Nissan Teana 2009 to 2014 protects essential engine and drivetrain systems, including fuel injection, fuel pump, starter circuits, ABS or 4WD control modules, cooling fan S, headlights and other lighting circuits, and other safety-critical electronics. The engine compartment fuse box number 2 of Nissan Teana 2009 to 2014 safeguards several high-load and auxiliary circuits, including the charging supply, cooling fan relay, ABS control unit, fuel pump or EFI power, and lighting relays. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.